Hi everyone, today we're doing Module 4 from Level E of VMath, Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. This is Lesson 8, so turn to page 35 to follow along and take notes. Understanding the simplest form of a fraction using fraction strips. So on your lesson you have linked some online fraction strips, and then you can also ask your teacher to use fraction strips on paper if you'd like. So here we have 1, 2 that are shaded in out of 4 total. And then here we have 1 shaded in out of 2. So we can see that those are equivalent because this half is the same as that half. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 1, 2 out of 1, 2, 3 total. So here we have a fraction strip, okay? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eighths. 6 unit fractions of 8. So then we need to figure out equivalent fractions using multiplication and or division. So let's actually look at this bottom one, the simplest form. So if you have 6 eighths, we're going to find simplest form, which means we're going to have to divide. We'll divide top and bottom by 2 first and see what we get. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So here's our simplest form, is 3/4. So we can see, and I'm going to put this one right here. 1, 2, 3. So if this is 1/4, 2/4, and then 3/4, we can see that because we know that 2 eighths equals 1/4. So we have 1, 2, 3/4 is simplest form. Another equivalent fraction could be, we'll just do one more. If we now multiply by 2, we get 12 over 16. So we would have to make 12 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's only 9. We got to make 3, so I got to redo that one. I actually have to make 4 within each fourth. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this would be 12 out of 16ths. So 6 eighths, remember, this isn't the whole quite yet, because if we had the whole, there would be 2 more eighths over here to have 8 eighths. But the shaded in part right here, the blue ones, are only 6 eighths. So fraction strips can help show those other equivalent fractions as well. All right, so here, number 4, we have 8/12. Equivalent fractions could be, so if we have 8/12, we can multiply top and bottom by 2. We can get 16 out of 24. There's 1, is 1 equivalent fraction of 8/12. And then how about we divide by 2? And then we get 4 over 6. There's another fraction. And then in simplest form, if we did 8/12 and we divide top and bottom by 4, then we get 2/3, and that is the simplest form that it can go in. Here we have 6/10. So an equivalent fraction of 6/10, if we multiply top and bottom by 2, we get 12/20. So that's an equivalent fraction. And then simplest form, we're going to divide. Let's divide by 2. Let's see if that gets us to the simplest. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And there is no other factors of 3 and 5, so 3/5 is the simplest. Okay, so you can use fraction strips to find many fractions as you can that are equivalent to 1/2, And why is 1/2 the simplest form? So I want you to you can use your online fraction strips or ones that your teacher gives you, and find as many fractions that are equivalent to 1/2 as you can. All right, so then now on your own, you will also complete page 36. Go ahead and use your resources. Good luck.